Hello everyone, welcome to this ArcGIS tutorial. In this video, we will learn about map digitization. First, look at the table of contents. In this video, we will create shapefile, resample images, create feature using line tool and convert to polygon, create feature using polygon, add data efficiently in attribute table, and all these things we will do for doing map digitization. So let's explore in the software now. For map digitization, first let's open previously georeferenced image in ArcMap. Now, before digitizing it, we have to create a shapefile. So, if we go to the folder, click New and select Shapefile, a window will appear. Next, we have to select the feature type. As there is no coordinate system defined, let's define it. It will be BTM in this case. Now we can check the show details for having a glance at the necessary details. Clicking OK, we can see the new line shapefile is created. Let's rename the layer and change symbology. Now if we go to zoom to layer, we can see no line. Again, if we open the attribute table, we can see no data here because we have not added any feature or drawn anything on the map. Now let's create a polygon shapefile in a similar way. Before starting digitizing, as the image is in raster format, we need to resample it for smoothing. We need to go to image properties and then to display, and in resample we need to select binomial interpolation for continuous data. After checking OK, we can see a smoothened version of the image. Now let's start digitizing the map using line shapefile. First we have to go to editor tool and start editing. Now select the line shapefile. After that we can see create feature window will appear. If not, you can bring it from editor tool drop down and then going to editing windows. Now let's start creating line. Zoom in or out to record view for accuracy in drawing. Start adding vertices and create line. For curves, we need more vertices to accurately follow the boundary in the image. Now we can see small square here showing endpoint. As snapping is activated, it is shown. Snapping is essential because without snapping tool being activated, these points will not be shown and there may be gap between line endpoints or issues of no connections. So we have to activate use snapping in the snapping tool. In case you don't have the snapping toolbar, you can bring it from the editor tool drop down. Now draw another line for the adjacent plot. Here the image plots a polygon, but we have drawn with line shapefile. So we need to convert the lines into polygon. Now to convert the line feature into polygon feature, we have to go to toolbox, find data management tool, then go to features and select feature to polygon. Here the line layer will be input feature. Let's select the output destination. Here XY tolerance indicates the minimum distance between coordinates before they are considered equal. This is used when there is problem of gaps. As we have used snapping, we don't need this currently. Now after clicking OK, we can see that they are converted into polygons. If we check the attribute table, we can see there are two polygons. Let's save the edits and stop editing. Change the symbology for now. Now if we open attribute table and start editing, we can add plot number to polygon manually. Before it, we have to select and see which polygon it indicates. After adding the number, we can save edits and stop editing. So this is one way to digitize a map. Let's explore the other one. Now let's explore how to digitize using polygon feature. First, let's select start editing and then select polygon shapefile. Then click on continue and select polygon feature in create features. Now let's start using it. As we can see, the polygon is now created. We can edit its symbology. Now an issue arises, that is how to add polygon to the adjacent plot. If we use polygon tool again, it can create problem of overlapping or double line. So in this case we can use autocomplete polygon. While using autocomplete polygon, first we have to click inside the adjacent polygon and then draw along the boundary, and finally if we go and double click inside the polygon again, a new polygon is generated and both share the same boundary. Now let's work with trace tool. It is a replacement of autocomplete polygon. To work with it, if we start drawing polygon and then go to trace and trace along the boundary and finally double click, we can see a new polygon is created. Now here we can see the polygon is drawn over two plots. So how we can split it or cut it according to the plot size? We can just start editing and select the polygon we want to cut. Next we have to select the cut polygon tool and draw a line along the boundary. As we can see, they are now separate polygons. If we have cases like plot inside another plot, like in this case, what we can do? We have to draw the polygons first. After drawing, we have to select the one inside and then go to editor and select clip. We have to check discard the area that intersects. If we click OK, we can see these are now separate polygons. If we click on the outer polygon, it shows only the area outside the small polygon, and clicking on the small polygon, we can see the area inside it. So this is how we can solve this issue. Now let's see how we can add a plot number to the polygons. First we have to go to attribute table, then we have to select start editing and select feature class. Now we can select and check the polygon and then enter the plot number. Clicking Ctrl plus enter, we can move to the next cell quite easily and add data more efficiently in this manner. So this is a manual way to input plot number to the polygons attribute table. Now we will explore an efficient way of adding data for polygons using +1 add-on, but you have to install it before using. As I have installed it, let's explore how to use it. First, select start editing and then select the feature class. Next, we have to select the polygon from which we want to initiate our process. Now click on +1 and select the field, which is ID in this case. Now input the number for the selected polygon. Now if we click on the polygon area, we can see its number in the labels. By clicking on the adjacent polygons, we can add number to them also. In this way, we can add data quite efficiently, but we have to remember that double clicking on polygons should be avoided and carefully click on the polygon, otherwise there will be error in numbering. After completing, click Save Edits and check Attribute Table. We can see that the plot numbers are now added. So in this way, we can digitize the whole map following the steps. So thank you everyone for watching till the end. Hope this tutorial will be useful to you.